In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The worst thing you can do is nothing.
Hi, 9 days to Psle. Let's read today's question. The table below shows the number of children per family recorded during a survey. So what is the average number of children in each family? And what is the percentage of the number of families with at least 3 children? So let's look at the table. Now the question wants us to find the average number of children. So in order to find the average, we will have to know the total children. So we use the table to help us find the total number of children. As you can see, 2 families have no children, so no children over there. 6 families have 1 child each, so that's 1 times 6, 6 children there. 4 families have 2 children each, and that's 8 children there. 12 families with 3 children each, 36 children. 10 families with 4 children each, that's 10 times 4, 40 children. And 6 families with 5 children each, that will give us 30 children. So the grand total children would be 6 plus 8 plus 36 plus 40 plus 30. That gives us 120 children in total. Next, we need to find out the total number of families. That would be 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 12 plus 10 plus 6. In total, we have 40 families. So the average number of children would be total 120 divided by 40, the number of families. That gives us 3. Okay, so 3 children on average. So part B. What is the percentage of the number of families with at least 3 children? At least 3 children means those with 3 children, 4 children, and 5 children. This part here. Okay, so how many families have those? 12 plus 10 plus 6. 28 families have at least 3 children. So what percentage? We need to find out the fraction first. So 28 out of 40, the total families, and express that as a percentage. We times 100 and we will get 70%. So 70% of the families have at least 3 children. So that's the end of this question. See you tomorrow.